Hello, my name is Nicholas Longer, and I've been in estimating for the past 10 years. And today I'm going to be talking about Upwork. Very, very interesting topic. Let's begin. So, Upwork, Fiverr, probably a few others, but I'm just not, who knows what they are. I don't remember. But they are platforms to where you could basically freelance your talent. So whatever you do for your day job, you can do that for yourself, basically. So on Upwork, I've heard about it a while ago, made a profile for it a while ago, and even talked about it on this channel, and just haven't really paid much attention to it or used it like that. But I recently updated my profile to more match what I do for my day job, which is estimating basically. And I was able to get someone to sign with me as a client. This is the story. Let's continue. So I updated my profile, and then within a few hours of that update, I got someone who sent me a message basically saying, do you want to do work for me? You want to estimate some stuff? I was like, yeah, that's kind of mind blowing because I hadn't even like applied to any of the things on Upwork yet, or because normally you have to like apply, you have to use this coin or use this certain currency that they have on Upwork to apply to certain positions or whatever. But I hadn't applied to anything yet. I was just, like I said, updating my profile, and so I accepted and just kind of went to, there's like an interview process that you can do, and so there's like a call kind of thing that you have to do, like to meet with clients basically. And so you get on it, and then you just talk about, like, they talk about what they want you to do, and then you talk about what you can do, and then kind of meet middle there. And so I was like, okay, I know how to estimate. He was like, I need someone to estimate. I was like, cool, that that sounds good. Great. So they there's a contract that basically gets written up between you and the person, and then it tells you how much you're gonna do or how much you're gonna make or whatever. And they sent it over. I looked it over. I agreed, and just kind of have been gone from that point. And I'm now kind of interested because this is the first time that I've ever made money purely from online. Like, of course, I'm making these YouTube videos, but my channel isn't monetized. I, I've done other avenues of trying to basically sell my skills online, and this is the first one that I've seen that has really made a lot of sense and kind of quickly. So I think freelancing is cool. I think being able to have your talents valued outside of just, normal 9 to 5 makes a lot of sense because you can, you know, offset your income if you're making lower, or just blow it up, I guess, if you're already at a decent income from your 9 to 5. And yeah, I think it is a viable way for someone who, let's say, who doesn't have a job and is looking for a job currently in estimating, to go ahead and kind of get their feet wet into what the processes are. It You probably are going to want some decent amount of experience, just because clients are going to want the projects done at a decent standard, basically. And so if you don't really know, what a decent standard looks like. If you've never done much estimating, how would you know like what to do, what softwares to get, what you need, what you don't need, what how to do it basically outside of your job. So yeah, just first little update, first little sign of success from Upwork, and making money online outside of a standard process. And it's interesting. I started my company in this estimating field basically earlier this year, and have been kind of working towards what pathways I would want to take in it. And so whether that will be actually providing a service, whether it's through my website or through Upwork, or multiple different ways like that, or sell on digital products and my knowledge, kind of, as well as consulting, which is just still knowledge work basically. And so I I guess this would kind of be almost like a 6 month business update as well for my company, and what I've been doing basically to kind of build up a my LLC, True Estimating Solutions LLC. And I think Upwork is a viable, and other platforms like it, Fiverr, and there's a few other freelancing platforms, but the one that I've seen at least an, the most information on, at least myself, is Upwork. So it works. If that's kind of what you were coming here to see, if Upwork is actually worth it. Because I've also made another video on how Etsy, eh, it isn't really it. I mean, there's a whole lot of YouTubers promoting Etsy per se, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't put enough effort into it. Pretty much any work works eventually, generally, if you don't give up. But some things are a little less it than others. So yeah, uh, very interesting. Kind of Upwork, and does it or does it not work, as well as a business update, one video, just mixing them together. But all right. Check the links and everything else in the description below. Get you to be an estimator. It's somebody's job. Also, like and share this video. Subscribe. Helps things grow. Like all of those things. Catch you on the next one.